Hi, this is John with Flat 6 Motorsports, and today we're installing the Sole Performance valved exhaust system with over axle pipes for the 718 GTS 4.0. Let's get into it. Okay, so in the box, this is the Sole Valvetronic system with or over axle pipes. So this comes in a much larger box with everything included here. This is an anti-resonance tube as well that just clamps on with a V-band clamp. Sole Performance is a Pennsylvania-based exhaust manufacturer. They make exhaust systems for Porsches, among other supercars and exotics such as Ferrari, McLaren, etc. They have a lifetime warranty on their products, make some high-quality pieces. Like I said, in front of us we have the Valvetronic system. Now this fits the GTS 4.0 for both the Cayman and Boxster, along with the GT4 and Spyder. So it's a direct replacement. Actually, kind of a fairly complicated design. I'll start with the over axle pipes first. These do have optional heat shielding on them. So these are available, proven way to make good power, good tone, drop some weight off. Overall, the system is similar to the OEM muffler in weight, but I believe you get about 11 pounds of savings with the over axle pipe. So overall, it's going to be a little bit lighter than the factory system. This is a valve system. It's actually a pretty intricate piece. So the exhaust flow comes in depending on if the valves are open or closed. If they are open, it just actually goes through this bypass right up through this thicker tubing. This is T304 stainless steel. It is 0.065 inches in thickness, and I'm sorry, I didn't have a measurement on the exhaust tubing. I believe it's a 2.5 inch exhaust through the primary, so when the valves are open. The over axle pipes are 2.25 inches, so that's going to be 57 millimeters approximately, and then it goes through a larger primary with the valves open. That's going to be a 2.5 inch or 65 millimeter approximately tubing. So that comes right out the outlet. Now these do have some optional tips. You can use it with factory PSC tips. They have some polished, brushed tip options. They also have a satin black, and they do those in kind of a double walled or slash cut. So a lot of options for tips based on your preference there. When the valves are closed, it actually routes through this muffler system. So smaller tubing, some packing and baffling inside of the muffler, and then it comes out, and then these anti-resonance tubes will V-band clamp on and just designed to cancel out any unwanted resonance. Before we get into the installation, I do want to cover one topic. So Porsche from the factory has a logic-based system on the valves. So when you replace an exhaust system, whether it's the stock system, the OAPs, or any muffler system, the valves are still going to be actuated by the factory ECU. And basically what they do is when you push the button open, it will open temporarily, but from about 1 to 4,000 RPMs, they close. And they do this for global noise homologated rules for different regulations around the globe. You're going to need to look into two different solutions. Either a car graphic valve controller, which is a piggyback type unit. It's a plug and play unit, so it plugs in. And these are offered in a 2 mode, which is either the factory mode, what's selected on the switch, or full open. There's a 3 mode, which allows you to do the factory condition, open or close. And then there's also a version that integrates with the PSC button. So the PSC button takes over all control of the valves, probably the way it should have come. An alternative solution is the M coder. So M Engineering has a piece of software that can be written to the ECU that will take control of the valve. So your PSC button then will become a true PSC button, open or closed. So this is offered as their M coder, or if you want to go to their M tuner, which actually includes a stage 1 software calibration, those features come included for free. Both great solutions. One is very simple if you want to keep all your OEM stuff. The M coder is a great way to do that. The car graphics is a nice plug and play solution if it's something you want to take on and off over time. So now with that being said, let's get into the install. We're gonna put it on the dyno, and we're gonna see what kind of power this makes. We're also gonna test some of the decibels outside of the car from 50 feet away, and also in cabin. And then we'll take it on the road and give you some impressions. So let's get into it. Dyno pull from 50 feet away, we measured the decibels, and we measured a max of 100.4 decibels, which is about 6 decibels over stock from 50 feet away, and that is obviously close to redline. Idle was up just by a few tenths of a percent, so nothing major there. While on the dyno, we held the RPM at a constant 3,000, and with the valves closed, the Soul picked up 65.3 decibels, which is actually just 1 decibel louder than stock. So barely can hear a difference. With the valves open though, you do hear quite a bit of a difference at 71.3 decibels, which is approximately 5 over stock. So you definitely notice a bigger change, but surprisingly with the valves closed, it's very, very similar to stock. This exhaust setup made a peak gain of 16 wheel horsepower and a max gain of 18 wheel horsepower. We also saw a 5 foot-pound torque increase and a 17 max torque increase, the area under the curve there. So pretty solid results for just an exhaust. Okay, so here we are in the Boxster GTS 4.0 with the Soul Performance valved exhaust system and their over axle pipes. These are the regular non-resonated over axle pipes, and then obviously their valve system. I can tell you right off the bat, we have the valves closed and this car sounds stock, completely stock. It's probably hard because I didn't do it back to back, but in some ways maybe even a smidge, I don't want to say quieter than stock, but with the valves closed, you basically are compromising nothing. Little bit of, you know, the resonance you get around 2,000 RPM, 2,200 RPM in this car. You still get a slight little hum, but it really shocked how subdued and quiet this is with the valves closed. Enough to, you know, still hear the engine some, but it's extremely comfortable and does that side of things very well. But I think for somebody who is concerned about the volume of an exhaust system, this obviously gives you the performance benefits of the over axle pipes, free flowing there, but it definitely, you know, you could absolutely have conference calls over Bluetooth, be on the phone, talk with somebody next to you, and this is as quiet as it gets in a Porsche interior for sure. So that's very nice for somebody that's looking for that kind of no compromise solution. Valves closed is definitely very comfortable. So let me open up the valves. Get a little bit of a changeover. It's not drastic until you really get into the throttle. And you can kind of hear right away a little bit more noise from the exhaust. Incremental, not crazy actually down low. So I would even say that with the valves open on this system, it gives it just kind of like a sporty, you know, PSC Plus type sound. A little bit more than stock for sure, which is nice because it just, you know, lets you hear that. So in some ways I would say even with the valves open, it's extremely comfortable. You can hear a little bit more crackle and stuff with the exhaust down low, but it's still very comfortable. And then what I really like about this system in particular is up high, you still get a very nice pitched note. So it's got a kind of exotic GT type sound to it. And, you know, it kind of comes out, you know, in the mid-range and up high. So you still kind of get a lot of good sound, aggressiveness of the exhaust, but it's kind of in a more balanced way, I would call it. So it's not, you know, super aggressive, but it definitely gives you enough, in my opinion, if you're looking to do an exhaust, that you're going to feel like you got your money's worth there. So overall, I think the system is very interesting. It's a pretty interesting engineered piece, pretty hefty in weight relative to some of the other systems, but I think for the person that is looking for a sound profile, you know, to kind of do it all, this is definitely a great exhaust system. Overall, I'm really pleased with this exhaust. I think it fits the characteristic profile of a lot of our clients, and definitely one you should consider if you're in that camp. If you're interested in GTS 4.0, GT4 content, we have an exhaust series going on. We're going to be testing some more exhaust manufacturers here soon, so definitely subscribe if you haven't. If you have any questions, we're happy to help. We're always available at flat6.com. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.